Živjo, Ivy here, welcome to my channel or welcome back, and let's set up my bullet journal for November. It's kind of funny. I had these, they're not nor washi tapes or stickers you have to glue to put to glue on the page, but I just now realized that this is the same theme that I used last year for November as well. But yeah, a lot of things still stayed and I wanted to use it, and why not? And it gives a little bit like winter theme and all that because we're going there. But I love autumn, it's so great, and it's slowly getting really cold. But we hardly have like winter, we hardly have snow. So I'm making this more very blue-gray kind of a bullet journal. I usually, whatever I use here in my video, on my journal, I will link it down below, but sadly all of this that I have right now is from a store called TEMU, which is a store here in Europe, so I can link nothing except for one washi tape, which is like Misty Mountains. I absolutely love that tape, and you will see it later when I do my weeklies. We don't actually celebrate Halloween, but how did you spend your October? Were you like watching horror movies, horror series? If you're celebrating Halloween, I hope it was great. We sadly don't celebrate it. I mean, we do have like a party and you can like dress up, but it's not like trick or treat or anything like that. Autumn this year is so gloomy, so rainy, and then just 2 days you have this beautiful sunny weather, and then it's just, I don't know, this year autumn just doesn't feel so good. I never understood when people say seasonal depression. I think I understand it now, because 3 days I felt like shh, you know. Also, that band-aid on my finger, I got hurt when I was cooking chestnuts. And you know, when you have to make the crosses, and I was making crosses on the chestnut with a knife, and yeah, something happened. I'm fine though. I don't know why, but when I think about like November, it just gives me the feeling that you need to go for the hills, like mountains and all that. I don't know why. Like autumn gives you like going to the woods, because of like when the leaves change color, and if it the leaves aren't wet and they're like super dry. I really like stepping on the leaves because of that crunchy sound. But for November, it just gives me mountains, hiking. I haven't gone on a hike for a really long time. And this blue color that I'm writing down like goals, ideas, and to-do list, I don't know if you can even see it. It's so light. Maybe I made a mistake using that color. But I don't have anything darker, and I really didn't want to use a darker blue. I wanted to be light to kind of go well with this gray washi tape. And this is my weekly. I got this idea from Pinterest. And I was doing this freestyle again, and my hands, as you probably already noticed, are not steady. Like, it's not exactly doing justice, it's bad. There we go. This washi tape. I love this. This is from TEMU, and like I said, I will try to find it and link it down below. I love this. It's so beautiful. And they have different ones as well, like if you want autumn, more like winter, and this one. I think there are 4 different ones. And here we are. This is my bullet journal for November. I really like the colors. I really like how everything turned out. This page is a little bit too simple, but don't care. This weeklies are my favorite. Absolutely love it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked my little video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Ciao, ciao.